everyone! Today I'm going to show the disassembly of the VAG DQ250 Mechatronic unit and the correct way to open the TCU cover. First, we prepared a Mechatronic unit that hasn't been repaired yet. On the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This hole is a locating pin. No need to worry about it. There are 10 screws in total. After removing them, the Mechatronic unit can be taken out of the vehicle. Now let's zoom in the camera. This is the TCU connector. There's a vent hole at this position. We'll prepare our heating guns and heat this spot. Then the TCU cover can be opened. We start now, and we'll show you how to do it. Zoom in the camera. Aim the heat gun at this vent hole. Then blow air into it. Now, with a pop sound, the TCU cover has been opened. Next is the replacement method for the DQ250 TCU repair kit. First, prepare a flathead screwdriver and a hammer. Before replacing the repair kit, use the flathead screwdriver to remove these silver wires. That's how you do it. After that, use the flathead screwdriver with the hammer to knock off the original ceramic base plate. We've used the flathead screwdriver to knock off all the original ceramic base plates. Now we'll clean the inside of the TCU thoroughly and start sanding. We'll prepare an electric drill to sand the base plates and solder joints. When the first round of cleaning is done, keep in mind that these 3 points here, 1, 2, 3, will be slightly higher than the base plate. When sanding, just sand it down to be at the same level as the base plate. Now let's start sanding. Now we've finished sanding the base plates and soldering joints. Next, we'll perform a second round of cleaning on the base plate. The second round of cleaning for the TCU base plate is now done. As you can see, it's now very clean. We'll take the DQ250 TCU repair kit and apply thermal grease to its bottom. Now the thermal grease has been applied. Here's something I need to explain to everyone. When applying thermal grease, remember that more is not better. Apply the thermal grease to the base plate first. Then use a blade to spread it evenly. It must be spread evenly. This is extremely crucial. It affects the heat dissipation effect of the thermal grease. Make sure to spread it evenly. Thicker doesn't mean better. Try to keep it thin, but don't leave any areas uncovered. This point is very important, as the TCU is usually located inside the transmission. Poor heat dissipation here will cause big problems. Okay, we'll now take the PCB and press it onto the base plate. First, align it correctly, then place it down. And after placing it down, you can see the base plate is tilted, right? We'll align the kit with the solder joints. It's easier for us to make soldering later. Once aligned, you can press the unit with your 2 thumbs. Shake it a little as before. The purpose is to ensure the thermal grease spreads thoroughly and evenly, which improves the module's heat dissipation. We can see the thermal grease coming out from the sides after we press it like this. We can use this as a hint we are ready for soldering. We'll start applying solder to the PCB after aligning it with the solder joints. I won't show too much in detail now. As long as you know how to do this, it's fine. Next, we'll connect the kit to the solder joints with wires. And align it to the correct length. Use a utility knife to cut it off. Then solder it. That's it. Be sure to clean off all the soldering flux. Finally, apply the adhesive, and it'll be ready for testing in the vehicle. We've already connected the PCB repair kit to the solder joints. We'll pour in adhesive after cleaning the other areas. After waiting for it to be dried, we can finally seal the cover. Then it can be installed in the vehicle and put into use.